This is our Trident ProLine TracerLock connector. This is used for a service connection or a splice connection, either one. It is not gauge specific, and you do not have to remove the jacket to use this connector. This is an example of a splice, inline splice. You can see the two wires coming through. It's very important that we line the wires up straight because there's teeth that cut through the jacket and make contact. Once you get your wires aligned properly, you can use a wrench with a ratchet and you just tighten this until the bolt stops. As you can see, it broke away. This is a stainless steel screw going all the way through, but now we have our contact. And these wires are not going to come apart. Corrosion proof and ready to go. This connector can be used for a service connection. This would be our service. There's a provided insert for the service wire. This actually has the dielectric gel in it as well to protect it. And your main line wire would go all the way through. Make sure they're in nice and straight so that the 8 teeth make contact to the jacket. And tighten this down until you have it snug. Once it's snug, again, just take your ratchet and you're done.